In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Chrome. If your browser has been acting up, running slowly, or behaving oddly after installing extensions or changing settings, a quick reset can bring everything back to the default state without losing the essentials. This process works the same on both Windows and Mac computers, and you won't need to reinstall anything. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Settings page, where we'll access the option to restore the default configuration. On the Settings page, scroll all the way down and click Advanced to reveal more options. Under the Advanced section, find and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear explaining what's about to change. When you're ready, click Reset Settings to confirm. After the reset, Chrome returns to its default setup. Your homepage and new tab page will switch back to the standard Chrome start screen, so any custom start pages you set will be removed. Your default search engine will be reset to Chrome's original choice, which is helpful if a tool or extension changed it without you realizing. Any tabs you had pinned along the top will be unpinned, so plan to reopen and pin your favorites again if you rely on them. Extensions are an important part of this reset. All installed extensions remain on your browser, but they'll be disabled. This is intentional, and it's great for troubleshooting. If an extension was causing issues, you'll notice an immediate improvement. Later, you can re-enable extensions one at a time to identify any that may have been causing problems. Site permissions are also reset, which means websites will ask again for access to things like your camera, microphone location, or notifications the next time you visit. Here's the good news. Your bookmarks and saved passwords are usually not deleted by this reset. Your browsing data such as favorites and login information should remain available, so you can get back to work quickly without having to rebuild your browser from scratch. That's all it takes to reset Google Chrome on your computer. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Settings, expand Advanced, click Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirm with Reset Settings. It's a fast, reliable way to fix many common browser issues and start fresh while keeping the things that matter. If this helped, you're ready to continue browsing with a cleaner, more stable Chrome.